Hi guys, so we're doing an unboxing today. I placed an order with Shop Disney, and excuse my voice, I think I'm catching something. And I just got it. I actually placed the order on Wednesday and I got it today on Sunday, so that was pretty fast. And I just thought I would share with you guys what I got and show you guys my new Spider-Man shirt. Has all three Spider-Mans. I say this one's my Spider-Man, the original. Kind of upset that they put a 2 on him. He's Spider-Man 1. Come on, he was the first one. Give him the respect that he should get. But yeah, I got a couple of Marvel things and a couple of things that I had before. But let's open it. All right, check out this. I was so excited. Oh, this is normally $25 and I was able to get it for $14 on sale. I got a size 4 and they didn't have anything. That was the only size they had. I'm like, so it's a little big for him now, but it's not gonna last him a long time because he's right between a 3 and a 4 right now. But how cute is that? It does say it's a PJ set, but it also says it's a costume, so I think he'll be wearing this to the park when I wear my Spider-Man, because I had the same Spider-Man I just ordered from Hot Topic, so we'll be matching for sure. And it does come with the pants. I thought it was so cute. You see what it is? What do you think, Ma?
Woody.
So Woody also was on sale, 14 from 23. And I thought this was so cute. I missed my opportunity to get Buzz. Buzz was there about a couple weeks ago when I saw, and I said, no, I won't get it. Then now Buzz is sold out, but Woody was still here and it was a lot cheaper. This is also a size 4. It looks a little bigger, right? Doesn't it look bigger than the Spider-Man one? But and it comes and it looks like he has boots on on the bottom. I thought it was cute, and he just started watching the Toy Story movie, so I think he'll like it. And this is for me, the new Spider-Man logo, which I never saw this in the park, I don't think. This was $40 and I paid not $40. I paid $18 for like a little fanny pack. Oh, how weird. It's like a belt with clips. Okay. Now, I tend to put my fanny packs up a little higher just because my fanny's a little too big for a pack. So I keep mine higher up, and I like it like that anyways because then I can put my phone in it. It's a lot. That's a big pocket. Definitely phone fits there easy. And a little, it's like a little coin. My pass could fit there. Easy access. How's it look, Ma?
Very nice.
Yeah? So that's a pretty official clip too. It's all metal. I have a fanny pack that has the plastic hook and it's already cracked, so I did use it a lot. But yeah, how cute is this little Spider-Man? And with my little Spider-Man, my Spider-Man collection is growing little by little, that's for sure. I don't know if I should save this for last or... Okay. So, I got myself the Coco set, toy set, figurine playset. That's what they call it. These are normally $27. I got it for $18 on sale. I got this set like 2 years ago. And I wanted to keep it on my shelves, and I had it on my shelves, but Emmett kept climbing, and at that point I had my couch near the shelf, and he kept wanting to play with them, and I felt bad. You know, if we learn anything from Toy Stories, toys are meant to be played with. So I was feeling bad, and I just kind of gave him the set. The set did not last very long. I think he still has the Alebrije, and recently I just saw it over there. And he might have one of the Miguels, but like you see how they're kind of thin on the guitar here, so they do break very easily. At least in a toddler's hands, they break very easily. So it did not last, and I had to say it's okay. When I saw that it was on sale, I had to get it for myself. This one's mine, and I will be mounting it. I'm not going to take it out of the box until I can mount it onto the shelf. That way, even if Emmett does get a hold of it, he can't destroy it. It's going to go and sit with my Alien set. That's also going to get mounted. But I was very happy when I saw it. I didn't think they were selling these anymore. So when I saw them on sale, I had to get myself the set. Okay. Now, we know that the Wanda ears, there's Marvel ears, there's no Spider-Man ears like this. They have the boy version or the hat version, and I don't collect those. I don't prefer wearing those because I usually have my hair in a ponytail, and so having my hair up and those hats don't work. So I'm kind of sad that they didn't come out with a Spider-Man ears. I'm still holding out. I've made my own Spider-Man ears, so I'm okay with that. When Wanda ears came out, I was the Scarlet Witch ears. They only released them in Disneyland, and they sold out immediately, and they have not released them again. And those ears I definitely would have bought. You do see the Captain America ears. Me and Captain America got a little bit of beef. So should I buy them? Yes, if I want my full Marvel collection. Do I want to buy them? Not really. Ever since he tag teamed Iron Man with Metal Arm over there, I was very upset about that. And clearly I still am. So I feel some type of way about it, right? And then Spider-Man obviously was Iron Man's bestie. You know what I mean? Like, I have a sweet spot for Iron Man, and I kind of jumped on that bandwagon a little too late in Disney World, so I don't have any Iron Man merch, which is sad. I just got Emmett an Iron Man shirt, but that's the only Iron Man thing I have. So I'm hoping they come up with something. But all of this to be said, that this is why I bought these next pair of ears, because it is a Marvel ear, and I felt like I was gonna regret not buying these. Not because I love Thor. I don't love Thor. He's not my favorite, but I don't dislike him like I kind of dislike Captain America. So I got them because I knew they were gonna sell out as fast as Wanda ears sold out. The Thor movie is about to come out, and I think in a week or so. So I didn't want to wait till the movie came out and then me go see the movie and be like, oh my god, now I want those ears, and then for them to be sold out because everybody saw the movie and loved it. So here they are, long tag and all. And I'm not 100% sold, right? Because it has this little foamy, like, and it's kind of thick too. Like, this is gonna push back. If it didn't have this, I would have liked it more just because of the ears part. It kind of reminds me of the Wanda ears that came out. I thought this was really cool. The fabric on the ears is pretty cool. I know this is supposed to match whatever, I don't know. It says Mighty on the side. I think this is supposed to match Thor's wife's outfit. I saw a preview. Don't quote me. but I think that's what this is. And so I just had to get it. I paid full price for this, $30. The only thing I paid full price for. And this is what made me start looking through the website anyways, because I always go there to see if they have new ears. And so how do they sit?
Good.
Mom says good.
Mm-hmm.
They feel weird on, so I'm not sure, and I want to see my reaction on camera, so I'm gonna take the phone from Mom and see myself wearing them.
I think they're gonna be more forward, right?
Okay, I don't know. It's just so thick. It's how I'm supposed to wear it. Okay, but do you see how the headband has to be fully forward for that to happen? And so if I wear it up like the headband should be, now I got like more of a football shaped head. So I don't know what they were going with this. I really don't. These might just be mounted ears for the collection. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything to them. I kind of want to see the movie first before I start taking it apart, just in case I'm like, it's just worth the collection. But like, see, it's a pillow on top. So I don't know why they thought this would actually sit on the head. And it's not only the front, it's the back too. So were these supposed to be like meant for kids? That's a small head though. Like, come on. I'm thinking Emmett might fit better, but that's still pretty small for a kid. And come on, who are buying these ears really? Adults. You don't see no kid wearing those ears because they're not that comfortable, Disney. So let's not pretend like they are. You know, by the end of the night, you have a full-on headache easy from most of the ears. I'm not feeling it, guys. I'm not feeling it at all. I don't know what they thought of why. And I paid full price for this because I bought it online, so I couldn't even see it. I think if I would have saw it in the store, I probably would have tried it on and been like, not worth it. Even though, like, this part looks dope, you know? That easily, it looks so good. But they ruined it by this little, I mean, this is a kid's dream right here. You can bump your head into anything, not feel it. It's like bulletproof, Jesus. But I don't see myself wearing this in the park at all because it just doesn't look right. It does not look good. After I see the movie, if I feel like I can make this work, I might have to demolish the whole thing. But if you look, the headband's black, so it's not completely attached. Actually, yeah, I can see the stitch too. So I should be able, oh yeah, that's gonna be super easy to take off. Yeah, I might have to take that off because you can even see here, see how you see the band, the black? Yeah, I can easily take this little hat piece off. So at least they thought that through, like gave you the option whether or not to take it off. I probably will because I'll wait to see the movie. Make sure, you know, if there's like a meaning to this hat and that's why Disney felt like it had to have it, maybe. But it's not it. Not as of right now. Not it. Last but not least, this was a free gift. So it's a Disney key that's themed Buzz Lightyear for the movie. So it was like if you spent more than $15, you got it. Let me take it out of the bag. All right. So it has Buzz here. It says Lightyear on it. They're on the same both sides. It's lightweight. So they have these keys and they have different kinds. They have different sets. They have a Winnie the Pooh set. All these Disney keys, they don't do nothing. They don't provide anything other than a cool like look, right? Because that's the D for Disney. And they're giving this one for free. And I feel like the reason why they're giving it for free is because they want you, if you're not already collecting these, they want you to collect it, right? So now if they come out with a Woody and what is her name, the little lamb lady, you know, or I feel like they're gonna try to get me to buy the whole set, because then I already have this one for free. So they're like, yeah, we'll give you a key for free, because we know that's when you're gonna start your little key collection. So I'm kind of telling myself right now, I will start a free key collection and get them. I do not think I'm gonna collect these. I say this now, but I really don't want another collecting item. Look at my wall, okay? Does it look like I need another collecting item?
Yes, you do.
See, mom's an enabler. She's just like, yep.
I like that key.
Maybe you can become a key collector.
No, that's okay.
Oh, so she can't collect it, but she's like, yeah, you got room in your collection. She want to see them in my wall.
Yeah. You're the one with the key to the castle.
The key to the castle. Don't try to sell this to me, Ma, because it's sounding good, and I don't want to do another collection. Oh, she said the key to the castle. See, this is why Mom can't be around when I'm doing these things, because honestly, I tell Mom, I'm like, I don't need another pair of ears. She's like, but these are nice. I'm like, yeah, they are. So then I just buy everything. So, but yeah, this was a little free perk. And something that I always do when I order from Shop Disney, that if you haven't done, you should, is keep the little tissue paper. They give you 1 sheet per box, so they know people save them. And you can do a lot of like arts and crafts. I put it behind my puzzle. I have a haunted house puzzle that I haven't done, so a haunted mansion one, I should say, for Magic Kingdom. So I'm saving these for the background for that one. And I had put my Mickey puzzle on top of white, and it just did not look good, like a whiteboard. And Mom was like, oh, you can use this as a background, and it was such a good idea. So now I just save these pieces, because they will they will use plastic and brown pieces of paper to wrap all your stuff, so it's good. The brown piece of paper is somewhere else. They will only give you 1 sheet. I appreciate it, but only 1 sheet. So you gotta keep it safe until you're ready to use it. But how cute is it? It has Disney, has a bunch of characters. Nemo, Pluto, Genie, Peter Pan. I see all the princesses there. I see Mickey, Tink. So I love this parchment paper. A Little Mermaid right there. So always save it. You never know. You might need a backdrop to something. And this is it right here. Alright guys, so this was my first unboxing, right? To show you guys what I got from Shop Disney. I usually try to buy all sale items. I try not to spend full price on things. Things that I think are gonna sell out. Had to do it. I feel a little better knowing that the hat can be removed. So I feel a little better about this purchase, but I'm excited. I'm excited for this. How cute is this? Ooh, can match my shirt. So yeah, that was my unboxing. My name is Stephanie. Like and subscribe, and thank you for being a part of my world. Bye.